All right, let's get straight to it. I want you to forget everything you think you know about budgeting. Seriously, we're not doing that. We are about to install a brand new operating system for your finances, one that's designed to build absolutely unbreakable discipline. This is the Respect Money Audit.
And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? This whole thing boils down to one core idea. The issue probably isn't what you earn, it's how you treat what you earn. I mean, if you treat your money like it's trash, you can't really be surprised when your bank account looks like a dumpster fire. You know, every single dollar you waste on some impulse buy or another digital distraction, that's not just money, that's a leak of your own life energy. So, what we're doing here is patching those leaks. We're installing a new system that's going to kill that inner consumer and forge the financial discipline of a warrior. So this right here presents two paths, and right now, you are on one of them. You can be the drifter, just kind of letting your habits and impulses control your wallet. Or you can become the builder, where you dictate exactly where every single dollar goes. The choice is yours to make. Which brings us to our first phase, the tracking ritual. Look, the foundation of all control starts right here, with this fundamental principle. You simply cannot manage what you do not measure. It's impossible. So rule number one is absolutely non-negotiable. You track everything. And I mean everything. I don't care if it's a 99-cent app or that $5 coffee you grab every morning. From this moment on, every single cent that leaves your account gets documented. No excuses, no exceptions. And listen, don't think of this as some boring chore. Think of it this way. You're making your progress visible. Because when you can actually see the results of your discipline right there in black and white, it stops being work. It actually becomes this addictive game that you want to win. This is the first major mental shift you have to make. Stop seeing dollars and cents on a screen. Start seeing ammunition. Every dollar is a round you can use to build the future you actually want. So, are you firing it at your targets, or are you just shooting it aimlessly into the air? Okay, quick pattern interrupt. Let's get real for a second. Later today, I want you to open your banking app and look at your last 5 transactions. And you need to be brutally honest with yourself. How many of them, genuinely, moved your life forward? If the answer is 0, maybe 1, well, that's all the proof you need that you're working for your habits, not for your goals. Okay, so once you're tracking your expenses, it's time to go on the offensive. Welcome to the rules of financial war. This is where we master delayed gratification, which is, let's be honest, the superpower of the wealthy. Here is your primary weapon in this war. It's called the 3-second kill switch. It's simple. Before you buy anything that isn't an absolute necessity, you just stop. You take a breath, you count down in your head, 3, 2, 1. And then you ask yourself one simple but incredibly powerful question: will this matter in 5 years? The system is brutally effective. If the honest answer to that 5-year question is no, then the purchase is a no, period. End of story. And remember, you're not just saving a few bucks. You're actively protecting your future time and energy from being wasted on complete nonsense. Now, here's a truth that basically nobody wants to hear. We're all sold this idea that building wealth is this glamorous, exciting thing. It's not. Real, lasting wealth is built in the quiet, frankly boring moments of consistent work and disciplined saving. The real question is, can you handle the boredom long enough to achieve greatness? Now for the most critical phase of them all. This isn't just about tactics anymore. This is about a total transformation. Welcome to identity murder. This is a full psychological cleanse. Just look at this slide. You have to kill the consumer version of yourself. You know the one who buys stuff to impress people he doesn't even like, the one chasing those cheap dopamine hits from online shopping. You are replacing him with the investor, the one who saves to build and whose ultimate goal isn't stuff, it's freedom. And to really reinforce this new identity, you need to internalize this idea right here. Every single dollar you save isn't just a dollar anymore. It's a soldier in your personal army ready to be deployed to go out and conquer your goals. You got to treat each one with the respect a soldier deserves. You see, this entire system, it's really built on reciprocity. When you finally start to respect your money, when you track it, you protect it, and you deploy it with purpose, it's going to start respecting you back by growing and working for you. All right, let's wrap this all up with your call to action. This is your first mission. Because let's be real, a person who cannot control their wallet cannot possibly control their life. Here it is, plain and simple. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to audit your last 30 days of spending within the next 24 hours. No more hiding. You need to face the unvarnished truth of where your energy has been going. Find the leaks, and then you destroy them.
And here's your mission briefing to make sure you succeed. First, subscribe to this channel and join the tribe of builders. Second, join our Telegram for daily war mode prompts that'll keep your discipline sharp. And finally, your most important tool, download the zero-based expense tracker from the description. Start your audit tonight.
So I'm going to leave you with this question. Are you ready to stop being a slave to your impulses and start building an empire? If the answer is yes, I want you to comment day 0 below to declare your commitment. Now get to work.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.